Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've softened an onion, just a small onion that I've sliced in half and then sliced into little half moons. Just soften in some oil on a medium heat. I'm going to get in a tablespoon of grated ginger. And just give that a bit of a stir. Just let it cook for a minute or not even a minute, just a few seconds, just for the ginger to get warmed up. Oh, it smells amazing. Then I've got 3 eggs in my bowl here and a teaspoon of garam masala, which is an Indian spice blend, and half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. So when you get I'm also going to put in, I've got a small bunch of coriander, so cilantro, which I've just chopped I've kept some of the leaves to serve, and then I've just chopped the stems and the rest of the leaves roughly. Could be fine. And we'll get a pinch of salt in. So then we'll get our onion and ginger in, and just give it a quick mix. So we want a pan on a medium, a little bit higher than medium heat. And we'll get some oil back in. And I'm just going to pour, doing that round. I'm just going to pour our perfect mixture in. So you don't want it to be sizzling too hot, too much. Just take it off the heat. We just want this to cook really gently. Just smooth it out. So just leave it for a few minutes until it's almost set. Okay, so when the omelette is it's looking puffy around the sides, there's still a little bit of runny egg in the middle, but I like mine on the underdone side. You can keep going if you like, but I'm going to put mine onto the plate, so just because those middle bits will keep cooking as once it's off the heat. Beautiful. And then I'm just going to finish it with some fresh coriander. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.